If you want to change the cover image in Gamma app, this tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. Whether you're updating a presentation, refreshing a project, or just making your Gamma page look more polished, changing the cover image only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign into your account. Once you're inside Gamma, look for the project you want to edit and open it. This could be a presentation, document, or any Gamma project that has a cover image on the front. The key here is to make sure you're editing the correct file before making any changes. Now, once your project is open, go to the first card or the cover section. This is usually the first visible area at the top of the project. In most cases, the cover image is right there on the opening card, so you'll want to click directly on the existing cover image or the image area itself. If Gamma recognizes the image block, it should bring up editing options right away. Next, look for options such as Replace, Change Image, or whichever image edit option appears on your screen. Gamma may label this slightly differently, depending on the layout or update version, but the goal is the same. You want to open the image replacement tools. Once you click that option, Gamma will usually give you a few ways to update the cover. From here, you can upload a new image from your device or choose from Gamma's built-in image options if they're available. If you already have a photo saved on your computer, this is the easiest route. Just select the file you want, upload it, and let Gamma process it. If you prefer using built-in suggestions, you can browse those instead and pick the one that fits your design best. After selecting your new cover image, you may need to adjust the position or framing so it looks clean and centered. This is important because some images can appear cropped or slightly off depending on the cover layout. Take a moment to reposition it if needed so the main subject is visible and the overall design looks professional. Once everything looks right, click outside the image area to save the change. In many cases, Gamma auto-saves your edits, so you won't need to press a separate save button. Still, it's always a good idea to pause for a second and make sure the new cover image stays in place before moving on. And that's it. Your Gamma project cover image has now been changed. This is a quick way to keep your content fresh, improve the visual style of your presentation, and make your project look much more polished and professional. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma app guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.